Hey YouTube, Jacks, back with, you guessed it, threes in the morning. Happy Saturday to you. I have lucky horseshoes, 5 of them, and they are the last 5 in the book. So there we go, lucky horseshoes. That's going to be one of our participants today. I also got the triple threes. Yeah, those 4 in a row. And round it all out nicely. A whole bunch of tickets today. We have a nice long session since we didn't do one last week because I'm lazy. Bolt bucks, 3 of them. You know how good I do in the bolt bucks. I miss things all the time, but they don't usually matter. If they do, I'll put it at the end of the video. But if it doesn't matter that I missed the gold bar because it didn't make a winner out of it, I'm not going to be back because I won't notice that. Because I scan them and it only tells me if it's a winner or not. It doesn't tell me if I missed something. Oklahoma City Zoo. Oklahoma City. Here we go. Let's see if we can find some wins. All we got to do is get 4 in a row this way or 4 in a row vertically. Taking the winning symbols and scratching them off in the grid over here, like the light there and the lock. Any lights or locks in the bottom? Yeah, we have a lock. Don't see a light. Now if we get the lightning bolt in our winning pattern, which would be this one or this one, triple surprise. Horseshoe and pearls. Pearls. Got a lock right next to that light too. I know, that's how I miss things. I click at that one, don't see that one. Horseshoe up here in the corner. Any more pearls or horseshoes? I don't see any. Okay. Cloud and the moon. Well, we got 3 in a row already. And we got a cloud. No moons or clouds in the bottom grid. All we need is grapes. A key and a ring. A key and a ring on a ring. Do we have a key anywhere? Key to the lock? No. And no. Okay. Heart. Gold bar. Heart. See a gold bar down here. Let's see a heart up there. Mustache. VIP. Well, we got another 3 in a row. And the VIP down here. Come on, give us a win. Oh, we got the bolt in the safe. Bolt. No safe anywhere. Do the last 2. Stupid pig and a pot of gold. I did see a pig. I did see a pot of gold. No pig or pot of gold up here. We could use a wallet and then a clover. Be really nice. Cactus. That may help. We got a bar of gold here too. Guess a diamond can win. Didn't miss anything else. Oh, the mustache. Missed it too. Okay. Gotta make sure I didn't miss anything before I reveal that last one. So, stack of coins would win. Wallet. Silver. Sunglasses. Diamond would give us triple. Let's hope for the diamond. Oh, the rainbow. Yeah, we have one, but that doesn't help us any. Okay. Typical bolt bucks. Teases, and loses. Okay, next one. How about a cloud and coins? Right next to each other. Anything on the bottom? Yeah, we got coins. Let's go down here. Rainbow heart. Rainbow heart. get the bolt line. Silver and a ruby. Silver we got. Ruby, ruby, ruby. Don't see a ruby. Cactus and sunglasses. Cactus. Sunglasses. Well, the bottom grid's not doing very good. Okay. A safe and a lock. We got a lock down here and a safe down here, but none in the upper. Cash and a bag. Good cash. We don't need clover now. No bag. No bag down here. No cash. How about a key or a VIP? I know we have 2 VIPs. And we have a key. The upper grid's looking good. No keys in the bottom. I only got 2 left though. Mustache. Got that. Last chance to win something. Grapes. No grapes? Don't see them. Cash, umbrella, necklace, clover. Well, now we got 2 more spots up there higher. Don't we? I missed that. I almost let them go. Pearl necklace. No pearls. Need the diamond. Here we get the bolt. Well, so much for that one. I know it's not a winner. Next one. Last one. Rainbow bright and a heart. Rainbow. Do not see a heart. A pig in a cloud. A pig and a cloud. And a pig. I think that's it. How about the moon and the stars and the gold bar? A mustache and the light. Mustache, light. Safe, wallet. Safe, wallet. Safe. And a wallet. Okay. No, nothing else. That's a ring and a star. Couple of rings. No stars. Silver money. Yikes. Neither of those. Oh, silver. Almost hidden by all the others scratching off around it. Well, at least we got a way to win here now with coins. A lock and sunglasses. I think we got a few ways to win. Star. Didn't we have a star? Yeah, we had a star. That's down here. So now we need the necklace. I thought we had a necklace. It must have been the last ticket. Grapes, coins. Nope, nope. Okay. Dollar sign. We don't have a dollar sign. And a key. Well, we have a key, but it didn't get us a win. Yuck. Hey, this Bull Bucks is such a tight game. The only time I ever did good on one of these was when it was a Christmas ticket. It was in this format. Really did good on that one, and I miss it. Now we're on to the threes. You know, this game works. Find a three, or more than one three, over here. Reveal a 3 symbol, win the prize for that game. Reveal 3 3 symbols for that same game, triple the prize shown. And a 3 times triple surprise. And of course you can get 30 or 30 over here. Or 10 or 10 over here. Or 10 and 30 over, yeah, something like that. See if we got any threes. Not in the first row. Not in the second row. Not in the third row. Bonus? Bonus? Yeah. That one's yucky. Stick it together. Almost worth the new money. 3. No. No bonus? Yeah, no bonus. Try again. Okay, we'll try one more time. Nope. No. Okay. Well, looks like the threes. 3, 3, 3 threes, and no wins. Yuck. Okay. Last chance. Will the fourth one be a charm? Or at least a win? Last row. It's up to the bonuses. Well, you know what this game is. Craptastic game. Now this one here, you're looking for horseshoes or money amounts in the bonus section. Let's look for horseshoes. Got one on the second spot. Maybe there's a bunch of them. Or 2, 3 or 4 or more. It'd be nice to have a win today. Well, it's not looking good for horseshoes. Stupid pig. Horseshoe, horseshoe, horseshoe. No. Okay, here we go. No winner in the money. We need to find money down there in the bonus section. Didn't find any. Hopefully there's a winner in these last 3 tickets. 4 tickets. 4 tickets. Wow, I think it's the first time I ever got the horseshoe on the first spot. It's scary if horseshoes start popping up all over. That just don't happen. I try to get the horseshoe in the last spot, but it's not working out this time. Well, we need to have at least 1 win today. We'll be all bummed out if we don't get a win. Could ruin our whole Saturday. That's not the way I want to kick it off. And money. No. I think we're going to try a different penny for the last 3 tickets. Just because we haven't won a thing yet. It can't hurt. Oh my goodness, what is that? What is that? What's going on? Minnesota Historical Society? Minnesota mascot? Wait a minute. Tell me the Minnesota mascot's a mosquito? The Minnesota mosquitoes? Okay. I don't care. I mean, ours is we got a bird's ruffed grouse. I suppose we have a state insect too. Wouldn't surprise me. I think our flower's the mountain laurel? Boy, I can't remember. Well, maybe I am remembering. I'll be remembering wrong. So don't count anything I say as the truth. Always tell my kids. No matter what I tell you, I could be lying just because it's funny. Well, I'm pretty sure my daughter, anytime she tells somebody something that I told her, she uses the disclaimer that my dad told me that, so it might not be true. Hey, $5 bonus. We got our first winner. See, the mosquito was lucky. And we still got 2 to go, so maybe we'll do better than 5. Horseshoe. Horseshoe. Well, so far, I'm going to avoid the horse. Nope, we got one. 2 horseshoes. All right. That's a winner, too. Let me see at least one more. Nope. Nope. And no. Well, we got 2. The 2 horseshoes, according to the legend, is $3. And no bonus. We did get $3. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Last one. Try it again. Come on. 12 horseshoes for 50 grand. I only got the first one. Well, we can still get 12 of them. Just 5 on this side, 6 on that side. Well, that dream's over. It's just to get 3 of them. Wishbone, check. Pot of gold. Ring. And nothing. Let's try again. No bonus. Try again. Try again. Try again. Well, out of all those tickets that I got for today, we have 5, 4, and 3. So that's 12 tickets, $36. We got back 8. 3s are tough, but hey, at least we got something back. It was looking really bleak there for a while. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday, and we'll see you next time on 3s in the Morning.